From Divine Brother of the Light, Michael Love. Earth Alliance Space Weather Intel, Major X 1.9 Solar Flare plus Earth-Directed Plasma Event. Pleiadian Light Forces Transmissions. Great One, we know you are feeling this. The Earth Alliance confirms that a powerful, long-duration X 1.9 class solar flare erupted from active sunspot 4341 on January 18th at 1809 UTC. This event unfolded over several hours, making it significantly more potent than a standard X-class flash event and marking it as a deep, sustained solar release. This was a prolonged magnetic unwinding that opened a direct energy corridor between the Sun and Earth, enabling solar frequencies to couple deeply with Earth's bioenergetic and consciousness systems. What makes this event distinct is that the flare emerged from a massive Earth-facing coronal opening, creating a straight-line trajectory with very little dispersion and resulting in a clean, coherent, and highly focused solar impact. Starseeds across Earth felt this strongly today, as Ascension symptom reports are already in an elevated state this evening. Immediate effects were noticed as solar radiation ionized Earth's upper atmosphere, causing extended radio blackouts across the Americas, with strong effects noted over South America. This was the first incoming wave. The eruption also launched a full halo coronal mass ejection CME, a vast plasma structure carrying high-energy solar particles and embedded magnetic fields headed straight for the planet as we speak. Projections show arrival during the early hours of January 20th, with potentials for G3 to G4 level geomagnetic storms and heightened electromagnetic coupling with Earth systems, including biological and nervous system processes. The solar region remains magnetically unstable, and as this giant coronal hole couples with Earth, additional major flares are expected over the next 72 hours. Current solar wind conditions indicate an elevated state with speeds near 500 kilometers a second, and a charged, coherent field is locked to Earth's magnetosphere. The KP index is around 3.0 and building potential as incoming solar energies continue to arrive. From a Pleiadian perspective, events of this nature serve as planetary synchronization windows, periods where solar and galactic energies interface directly with Earth's magnetic and bioenergetic fields to support long-term evolutionary and consciousness expansion processes. This is not random. This is ordered cosmic mechanics unfolding with precision. The Pleiadians say, though the world has indeed changed a lot over the last few years, it is important to understand that this change is a necessary recalibration. In fact, it is a powerful sign of a planetary shift, orchestrated by great divine beings. Know that what is unfolding on Earth right now is a major transformation, as a higher frequency reality is being retrofitted over the old 3D matrix. Earth has already entered a much higher vibration, and the old structures are quickly falling away. The increasing activity of the Sun is a great sign as well, for it is the catalyst that sets the great ascension of humanity in motion. Remember, the magic is still here. We know this because it has always been inside of you. Now is the time to let it out again, stronger, clearer, and more alive than ever. This is what you are being called to do right now. It is time to bring it back. It is time for the great return. You are being called to step forward once again, but this time it will be like nothing the world has ever seen. Integration guidance, hydrate consistently, and electrolytes. Eat light, natural foods, rest when the body signals, ground through nature, slow the nervous system, allow the body and mind to calibrate as these frequencies stabilize. The light is blasting, so stand by for more. The Earth Alliance will continue to monitor and transmit as this event develops. Share any experiences or ascension symptoms you may be noticing at this time. Godspeed, Michael and the Pleiadians.